Hey everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about what are the mathematical and statistical functions that we can use with NumPy arrays. So the very first function is like we have a sum. What if you want to find sum of all the elements in an array, then you can use np.sum. So let me just create an array. I'll just use array is equal to np.array of, let me generate our numbers like 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So I just want to find sum of elements in this array. So what I'll do, I'll just put it and I'll just call np.sum of an array. So this is going to give me sum of all the elements in this array, which is going to be 150. So similarly, what if you want to find average of array elements? Instead of sum, you people have to use just a mean. That's it. It's going to give you an average value of an array. So what if you want to return a middle value in an array? Then instead of mean, you just need to use a median. It will tell you what is the middle value. You can clearly see out of 5 number, 30 is a middle number when you arrange your data in increasing or decreasing order. So next important thing, standard deviation. This is an important concept in your statistics, which tells you about, it measures like how spread out your data is. So in the place of median, you can just give STD. It tells you about, standard deviation. There is a 14.14 variation among the values. So similarly, if you want to see the variation between our values in terms of variance, you can just use variance. See, variance is 200. The square root of variance is going to be the standard deviation. Both are used to understand how well data is spread out, but standard deviation is always square root of variance. Variance is always a square of a standard deviation, double of 14 point something. Okay. And next important thing, like what if you want to find the minimum value, maximum value, you can just use np.minimum. That's going to give you minimum value. Similarly, if you want to find maximum value, see, minimum is still. If you want to find the maximum value, obviously maximum values are 50. So along with that, what if you want to find what is the index of minimum value, what is the index of maximum value? So np.rmin will give you index of minimum value, which is at 10, index of 0. So similarly, rmax is going to give you index of maximum element, which is going to be the last element, index is going to be 4. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So it is giving you index of the maximum element. Similarly, what if you want to compute the square root of each element? In that case, you can just use np dot sqrt of, you can just pass your array. So like this, you can also perform certain mathematical functions as well, like exponential, log. So the function can be applied on everything, like around, like a lot many things are there. So you can just explore it. Hope this is clear. This is all about NumPy mathematical as well as statistical functions. So in the next video, let's explore about NumPy operations and also indexing slicing. Let's begin. Thank you.